Today's recipe, I'm using 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for my recipe. Then I'll add a pinch of milk flavor, then salt, then I'll add 3 tablespoons of sugar to my mix. Then I'll also add vanilla flavor. Then I added milk. You can add milk depending on your choice. Some people don't add milk, but I'm adding milk into this recipe. Then I'll mix, yes, so that everything will be well incorporated. Then I added half cup of water. Then I mix properly. You have to mix very well. Then this is my dough. Yes, I'm using a spatula to smoothen my dough. Then I'll have to cut into sizes after this. Okay, keep washing. Guys, I finished cutting, so I'll fry till it gets brown. You don't have to let it burn, but just brown, and keep turning so that it will be well fried. Okay guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed and stay positive. Bye bye.